Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is pdyphotography. I'm a professional wedding photographer right here in Ghana. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get sharp images from the camera so that you don't produce those blurry, boring images for your client. So if you're interested in that, let's dive right into it. But before then, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and then let's dive into the video. So number one, always make sure that you clean your lens. I am sure this will look like a cliche or sound like a cliche, but it's very, very important. There are several times that even I have tried to take pictures and then I was getting like foggy looks, like non-sharp images, blurry images, and all those stuff. All I had to do was to clean the lens, and that's it. I started getting very, very sharp images. So that's it. Tip number one, clean your lenses anytime you are shooting. So number two, use the shutter speed that is like twice the focal length of the lens you are using. So what I'm trying to say is if you are shooting on 50 mm, you should make sure that your shutter speed is at least like 1/100, unless you are in a very low light situation that you have done all the necessary things that you need to do, but still you are getting like poorly lit photos, then maybe you can decide to calm down a little, but always make sure that you are shooting twice the focal length of the lens you are using. All right, then the next one is use a tripod. So if you are shooting and you want to get very tight, sharp images, especially for like stationary objects, maybe you are shooting a building or something like that, and you want to get very sharp images, the best way to do that is for you to use a tripod. So put your camera on a tripod and then set your timer or maybe trigger the button, and I guarantee that the images will be much sharper if you were to be holding it on your hand, with your hand or something like that. So use a tripod, as simple as that, you get better results. But then again, with regards to you shooting moving subjects, maybe humans, animals, or all those stuff, like I said in the very first, second tip, use a shutter speed that is twice the focal length or more. Then the number four is use a smaller aperture. So I know we buy the lenses for the large aperture, but sometimes when you are shooting at 1.4, you tend to get blurry images, especially when there are one or two subjects in the image. So try and then reduce your aperture. You get it? So if instead of shooting 1.4, try and shoot at maybe 2.8 or 3.5, especially in studio settings where you can go around f8, or some may even shoot at f11 or something like that. Try to decrease your aperture, and then I guarantee the images will be a lot sharper. If you want that blurry background, so you can do that, but if you want a general sharpness, try to decrease your aperture. Then the last one is increase your ISO if possible. Increase it. Now, I already said that you should shoot 1/twice the focal length of your lens. But then again, if you are doing that and you are getting dark images, just increase your ISO. I sometimes shoot at ISO 3200, 6400 or something like that, and the images are still clean and usable. It's better for you to get sharper images than to get blurry images because you don't want to increase your ISO. So use higher ISO and the result will be good. Then again, a bonus tip, make sure that if you are holding the camera, you are trying to get it stable as much as possible. Do you get it? Hold it stable as much as possible, because any slight movement will affect your image. So try and then get the camera as stable as possible. So that's it, guys. I hope this few tips have helped you and will guide you to get like sharper images in your next photo shoot. So if you have found this video useful, please leave a like. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Share with your friends. Who knows, somebody may also need this video at this point in time. And then leave a comment in the comment section below. I need more topics to discuss with you guys. So leave your questions in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.